Hey, good day everyone. I'm happy to bring you these Hi Vis T-shirts here. They're high visibility short sleeve T-shirts with a pocket in them from ProtectX. It's a breathable 4-way stretch fabric, moisture wicking and fast drying, ANSI Certified Reflective Tape here. It's got 360 degree high visibility, ultra durable, 100% polyester. So here's a look at them. Here's a look at the collar here. Nice stretchy collar there. And the sleeves. Here's a look at the sleeve stitching. Here's what the bottom looks like. These are going to be great for walks and runs. You know, that way you can really be visible to the cars coming by. Or if you want to wear these during bike rides, these would be great riding shirts as well. You know, they've got a lot of permeability, a lot of airflow. So it'll keep you cool and keep you visible. I really like this thing. Nice and comfortable. The wind's blowing. Be great for working out, outdoor stuff. Look at the back. Can put my pens and stuff in here. Put my phone in here if I need to. Earbuds. Great for walking, running, working out, working, road crew. All right, really happy with this thing.